Now, reality television has really and truly unleashed the warrior in all of us. We watch as stars shower in public on our small screens. We are glued as Rakhi Sawant ticks off her suitors. We are hooked to participants breaking down during talent hunts. We are unabashed peeping toms, and that's one of the many reasons why we all just love reality television.
TV shows without storylines. Ordinary people, celebrities captured in real-life situations.
आप भी पैसे के लिए आए हैं? मैं बिल्कुल 1 रुपए के लिए आया हूँ इधर। ठीक है, बात छोड़िए फिर। हाँ फिर।
Despite critics tearing apart the content, reality television has made huge inroads in India.
ये एक शो जरिया है मुझे सच बताने का.
So what's the reason for the tremendous popularity?
I think it is popular because it goes by the reality. Some drama, some kind of, even that Saas Ka Samna, that the story behind that Vinod Kamli, which has been telecasted, is a fact. So this is the main thing, that the fighting between these two girls for the talent program, the situation in the jungle is that ye jungle se mujhe bachao, so automatically it becomes popular.
There's no doubt people are fed up with the ultra-dramatic soaps and were waiting for something that stands out, something out of the box. These new brand of shows may be varied in content but thrive on plain voyeurism.
It's probably sensational and people like drama, so that's why it's popular.
क्या आप जोरू के गुलाम?
From survival skills to shaky marriages, relation tolerance and sex appeal, just about everything imaginable is being showcased. Here fiction meets real life in the most glamorous format, and for the public, there's no escape.
Anything which has a sensational value will catch the eye of viewers. Anything which is depicting something which is not normally seen or heard of will definitely catch the eye of viewers. So I think, or titillation in any way or the other.
So besides giving the audience the thrill and excitement of live, unedited action, it allows them to be a part of the show to earn millions.
क्या आप अपनी माँ की मृत्यु के लिए अपने आप को दोषी मानती हैं? क्या आपने कभी अपने पति पर हाथ उठाया है? क्या आपको डर है कि गुस्से में आकर आप किसी की जान तक ले सकते हैं? क्या आपने कभी किसी पुरुष से झूठ बोला है कि आप एक औरत हैं?
Money, no doubt, plays a big catalyst. Today's shows offer huge sums of money to people who could never ever dream of earning so much. The promise of money and the vicarious joy at someone winning lots of money, or more commonly, spectacularly losing a lot of money, is drawing millions of viewers in the country.
No, not at all. Yes.
और 1 करोड़ का इनाम.
You win 1 crore in a span of 1 hour. These are all dreams which every common man nurtures within himself or herself. So yes, it sells dreams.
Instant fame, another huge draw for the audience. Reality television takes ordinary people, sets them up in extraordinary situations, and then makes them the focus of the nation's attention, turning them into instant celebrities. The fun has only just begun. Challenges unmade, relationships untested, and stunts untried. There's much more to come.
है कोई जो लगातार 21 बार सच बोल के 1 करोड़ का इनाम जीत ले जाए? ये जानने के लिए आइए करते हैं सच का सामना।